We now determine the cost function given that the marginal cost function c prime of x equals 3x minus 7. So we write the cost function c of x, and this basically equals the antiderivative of the marginal cost function, that is c prime of x dx. So let's replace the c prime of x in this integral. So we write integral of 3x minus 7 dx. And to find this antiderivative, we can split this into two integrals as integral of the first term, that is 3x dx, minus the integral of the second term, that is 7 dx. And here we can factor out the constants from both integrals, 3 and 7 out of the integrals. So we write the first integral as 3 times of integral of x dx minus 7 times of integral of 1 dx. Now, using the power rule of integral, we write the first integral as x squared divided by 2. This is the antiderivative of x minus the antiderivative of 1 dx. If we integrate 1 dx, we get x, and we also put the constant of integral c. So this one is the cost function. Let's write down this in simple form. So c of x equals, this is written as 3 by 2 x squared minus 7x plus the constant of integral c. We now use the fixed cost information, which is given as a $10. So the fixed cost is basically the cost to produce zero items. That is, when x equal to 0, the cost will be c of 0. So basically the c of 0 represents a fixed cost, and this is given as 10. So let's use this condition, that is c of 0 equals 10, so that we can determine the constant of integral c and put this back into the cost function. I'm going to replace x by 0 here, so it will be c of 0, and this equals 3 by 2 times 0 squared minus 7 times of 0 plus the constant of integral c. We can see that this becomes 0. 7 times 0 is 0, and we can replace c of 0 by 10. So therefore we get 10 equals c. That is, we have determined the constant of integral equals c, and this means we can substitute into the cost function to write down the actual cost function, and this equals 3 by 2 x squared minus 7x plus replace c by t, c by 10, so we get plus 10. So this one represents the cost function.